Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So we are back with our another video on the system design case study or the playlist that we are doing nowadays. So this case study is on a system design for the restaurant on the Go platform. So this playlist or probably this specific video is just to recap whatever things we have covered until now, and just to recap, give you the context that what all things are covered inside this, and setting up the context for the next video as well, and at the same time a brief context or a brief discussion on the different queues or messaging brokers with which we left the previous video with. Okay, I'll start this video with an introduction of the business case that we were trying to solve with this specific design. So basically, let's say there is a restaurant. So you go and order on that restaurant probably while sitting on in-house in that restaurant. Now there are certain platforms available across the world with which you can book the orders online by going to the or selecting those restaurants or selecting the relevant category of food that you want to order. Okay, so now with this platform, what we are trying to do is we are basically demarketizing or basically adding a kind of platform for the restaurants where the restaurant owners can have their own platform itself where they can manage the all the orders which are coming in, and at the same time there will be separate mobile application or probably separate small kiosk application for the kitchen attendants as well as the captain attendants as well. Now how this is gonna be working for the end users. Now end users gonna be using this application as a mobile platform or a mobile application in their phones, so they can order from sitting at their home while they are going to that restaurant itself. Now the specific thing about this mobile application as of now which we are covering is, so we are not dealing with any kind of delivery cycle in this application. You can just order on that restaurant probably application or probably a marketplace application that we are thinking of in this design. Probably we will have that we will have that scenario also in the upcoming videos. So you can just order your food there. Either you can have it get packed from the restaurant, or you can get it or you can take that meal over there in that restaurant itself. So there is no involvement of the delivery of the food to your place wherever you are sitting or standing. That's what is the restaurant or this problem scope is. So we are trying to solve the problem in the restaurants where there are a lot of queues in the restaurants as well, and it takes so much time of to prepare the order, and at the same time the waiters are involved, and it takes so much of time for the kitchen attendants to prepare the right order at right time in the queue as well. Now this application can be used for some other platforms as well. For example, you go to any of the, let's say, kirana store which is nearby you, or probably you go to a big store to buy something, some groceries for you or related items for the home as well, for eatables. Now you spend a lot of time browsing through the entire store, and then you put the stuff in your bucket and then you get it billed. Now at the billing queue there is a lot of rush and all that, so that takes a lot of time to process your order as well. Now, in this situation, also you can do the same thing. So you can place an order for that application for those Kirana stores at the same time on that mobile application, and those Kirana stores can deliver your order. Not deliver your order, but they'll just pack your order stuff in. Let's say they'll give you in a time like 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, or whatever, and you can go there and pick whenever you are comfortable to get it picked up. Similar models are available in right now in these online applications. Like if you see about Swiggy, Amazon, or anything, so they also have the similar kind of context and the availability right now in their marketplace. But the point is, what they are offering to their customers, or let's say to the businesses, they are charging a lot of service fees over there for each of the orders. Or let's say the people who are new into the business, new wants to sell their business, or new wants to sell their products actually. So they are actually charging a lot of fees from them, and based on that, they are the new people who are trying to enter the online space. They are actually a bit hesitant because of these reasons, because they have to sell the items at the lower price. That's the first point, and then on top of that they are going to charge extra amount of service fee on top of that as well. That basically reduces the profit level if they sell online also. But at the same time there are some probably businessmen who actually want this kind of platform because they have some kind of unsold inventory available to them, and that unsold inventory is so high that their losses are hugely increasing as compared to the profits. So if they sell this unsold inventory online, whether at less price, that's fine for them. But still, they'll be actually earning more amount, or actually earning a considerable amount as compared to the losses that they are having right now. So there are all those, I think, consumers of this application available from the business side as well, and from the end user perspective as well, who want actually service even if they are paying the right amount. Now, what is the benefit for the end users? Now end users, what they're actually having is they want to have a right product, or a right quantity of product what they need at the right price, at the nominal price actually. So that's what we want to achieve with this product ideally. Now we have reached until this level. We discussed in the last video that whenever you place any order online, or let's say you scan the QR code, so you land onto specific web page or a mobile application specific page. So from there, you order the restaurant food by looking at the menu. You add your items in the cart or bag or whatever. You place the order. Now, when you place this order, this is actually your meal ID, not your actually order ID. Now, when you place an order, your meal ID starts. So your meal ID is 123, and your kitchen order ID is 12. Let's say any random number that it can be. Now, once you place the first order of your meal, so then it sends out a notification to the admin and the kitchen consumer. Now, both those have their order in their queue, and they'll start preparing them. Once kitchen consumer accepts your order, that it will be like they're accepting your order, and that will be delivered in 15 to 20 minutes on your table, or probably if you're standing outside to get it packed, so it will be delivered in that time.